Good morning, my dear friend. Today we have the newspaper of 29th May 2025. And start with the first news, that is the CIA Annual Business Summit 2025. Building Trust and India First. That is the core theme of this time, summit of this time. And who are the guests? Rajnath Singh, Defense Minister; JP Nadda, Minister of Health and Family Welfare; Piyush Goyal, Ministry of Commerce and Industry; Ashwani Vaishnaw, Minister of Railway and Information and Broadcasting; Jyotiraditya Scindia, Minister of Communications and Development of North Eastern Region; Sri Bhupendra Yadav, Minister of Environment and Forest and Climate Change; Ministers Sri Gajendra Singh Shekhawat, Minister of Culture and Tourism; Srimati Annapurna Devi, Minister of Women and Child Development; Sri Hardeep Singh Puri, Minister of Petroleum and Natural Gas; Mansukh Mandavia, Minister of Labour and Employment of Youth Affairs and Sports; Sri N. Chandrababu Naidu, Chief Minister Andhra Pradesh; Sri Suman Beri, Vice Chairman of Niti Aayog; Professor Ramesh Chand, Member of Niti Aayog. And these are other signatory members. The second news is about the people of Sikkim extend a warm Himalayan welcome to the Honorable Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi ji. Golden Years, Joyful Heart, 1975 to 2025. One question can be asked from there about Sikkim, how it merged, and it can be termed in politics as well. The fact related to the politics, like under which form of article we include Sikkim, who was the Prime Minister at that time, and so on. There are recent event and schemes related to the Sikkim. Mohammed Sinwar, chief of Hamas in Gaza, has been killed. Netanyahu. Russia proposed to hold next talk with Ukraine in Istanbul on June 2nd. Elon Musk criticizes Trump spending bills. In Dhaka, BNP calls for December poll. Germany restricted migration from bringing families acquiring citizenship. How Mexico cartels recruit children and grow them into assassins. In last 6 months, at least 777 from Delhi alone deported to Bangladesh as part of crackdown. Trump cites Indo-Pak truce to defend tariff power. Corruption in varying degrees in existence will fight ruthlessly. Lokpal clean chit to Pooch. Not even an iota of credibility evidence exists. As Tharoor take India's case abroad, Congress see red. PM should make you BJP spokesperson. Next is behind actions on Madai Land illegal bungalow driver who turned to RTI. 78 accident hotspots identified across the cities. Trees fell in ridge to widen road. Supreme Court hold DDA officials guilty of contempt. Landfills in Delhi will be likely dinosaurs. Next generation will never see them. Sirsa. Delhi prisoners set for a virtual makeover. Video conferencing cubicles to surge from 100 to 840. Thunderstorms alert sounded in city for next 2 days. 17 years and 33 lakh spent, men still wait to for soap in Rohini Mall. Court orders FIR against Parshnath developers. Chinese national held for overstaying business visa that expire in 2023. IGI 10th best airport in APAC and Middle East. Ministers take stock of efforts to provide shelter to stray shelters. Center fixed MSP for 14 Kharif crops, most hike for Regi Jawar. DMK set stage for Kamal Hassan's Rajya Sabha role. AIDMK brushes for tightrope. C-grade cinema. Gogoi hit back at Sarmas over wife Park link charges. Asking why Pahalgam woman survivor didn't fight back, demons all women. Prime Minister Narendra Modi talk of justice for women. Will BJP MP Ramchandra Jhagra get away by evoking Ahilyabai Holkar to denigrate women? In President's rule, every attempt to restore peace in Manipur has failed. Those against it not held liable. Scan database before giving ID. Government to states. State UT to be given access to immigrant database. SC extend interim orders against arrest of MP Minister Saha. Scheme to issue arms license to indigenous people in minority get Assam cabinet nod. Promise Australian jobs. 3 Punjab men held captive in Iran. Kin allies torture seek help. A wedding, a partial bomb, and a professor revenge. 7 years later, life trauma. Venturing away. New data rain concern over Indian as investment destination. Trade pact will improve investors' confidence. Breaking a vicious loop. Multilateral agencies need to introspect about need and justification for aid to Pakistan. The question is whether the loans grant provided by these agencies are helping Pakistan, explicit or implicit, and spending disproportionately large amount on defense procurement that ensure the nourishment of an overreaching military regime and strength in its nefarious connection with corruption. The average citizen is an suffer. The withdrawal of excess fund for defense could be camouflaged from the consolidated fund in the guise of ticking the box of some worthy cases because the funds has little oversight from democratic mechanism. Given the state of Pakistan economy, that defense spending is 3 to 5% of the country's GDP look like funding of balance sheet. The betrayal and yearning that is the core of Banu Mustai's heart lamp. Mustai's primary commitment is to Muslim women, and it is deeply humanist commitment. Good news in a single digit. Poverty fell significantly last year. Much of was driven by GDP growth. With a little help from nature, green landscape near Mumbai coast concealed it from climate vagaries. Taking friend for granted, the moral and political foundations of international support to Israel are beginning to crack. Department of Personnel and Training Initiative for into fake certification submitted by the officers of Central Services. After meeting in Pahalgam, Gulmarg, Omar says JK ready for tourism again. Must register all project and act on complaint. PM tell Rera head. Anniversary sexual assault. Accused found guilty. Sentencing on June 2nd. Karnataka BJP allies plot to kill leader of party. Demand actions against Minister Priyanka Kharge. Kalaburg DC SP. SEBI ban former Industrial Bank CEO Katapalaya. 4 other from market. India Inc. profit growth slow in fourth quarter amid uncertain economic environment. India players double down on neo-ion chemistry as China tighten lithium-ion stranglehold. Pause on US student visa interview lands on social media. Scissor of economy, India versus other. Has India overtaken Japan to become the world's 4th largest economy? The answer depends on how you look at the data. It's also crucial to look at conditions of average Indians rather than aggregated numbers. IPL headcount. Madhya Pradesh emerged as new T20 factory. Cricket Central. Madhya Pradesh cricket has taken a generation's leap from laid-back royal freedom of youngsters to an inspirational hub sling with talent. This has seen the IPL spotlight homing on India's central province. Sandeep G traveled to Indore, Bhopal, Rewa, Sioni, Sadul to trace the trend. One step closer to promised land. Asian athletes Tejasvi upgrades to decathlon silver. That's from my side, friends. See you soon.